ulit naging...
Sir Luke! Sir Luke!
Yes, inspectors. Can I help you?
Ganda nun Bago mo?
Hindi. Kaibigan lang. I'm going to die a single, lonely man. Less...
Magkabalikan kayo ni Amelie.
She's my first and only love. I know it's so cringy, so cheesy, pero hindi ko siya kayang palitan. Tinatago ko pa rin lahat ng may kinalaman sa akin. Everything from the souvenirs to the pictures. Kahit nga tong water bottle na bigay niya sa lahat ng taga-gym last Christmas na sa akin pa din.
Magkapareho ng water bottle si Luke at Zach.
I realized I can never unlove Amelie. Anyways, inspectors, I have to go. May pupuntahan pa ako.
Sige.
Yan, kuya. Dahan-dahan, please. Dito na lang. Thank you. Meron pa ata sa loob ng truck. Pakikuha na lang kasi paparating na yung owner. Alright, thank you. Okay. Ito. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh no.
Just leave it there.
What are you doing here? Ikaw yung may-ari ng bahay.
Ito dapat yung wedding gift ko sa'yo. Kung natuloy yung wedding,
I'll replace this. I'm sorry.
don't. I want it there.
But this one's damaged. Wala na sira na to eh. Baka pag nakita ng mga kaibigan mo, nakakahiya. Kasi sira na, sabihin nila pinagtsatsagaan mo pa.
Too bad. I stopped caring about what people say. This time around, kapag may gusto ako, ipagpipilitan ko. Besides, this one fits the house perfectly. What do you think?
What are you doing here?
Ikaw ang pumatay kay Zack.
Goodness. Haven't we done this a million times already, Inspector?
Ikaw ang isa pa naglagay ng eye drop sa water bottle ni Zack.
How? How, Inspector? All you have are assumptions. Wala kang proof kasi kung meron man, edi sana noon pa namin alam. Ano? Di mo kayang i-prove na I was near Zack's flask the night of his murder?
Dahil ginawa mo to the day before. Pinagpalit mo yung water bottle nila ni Luke. Hindi ka naman basta makalapit kay Zack dahil galit ka sa kanya. At alam ni Zack yun. Kaya ang ginawa mo, nilagyan mo ng eye drop yung water bottle niya. At yun din ang water bottle na nilagyan ng eye drop ni Hector Baltazar. Na doble yung dosage. Hindi naman nakakamatay kung isang bote lang ng eye drop. Pero dahil napasobra, nagiging deadly. Nakakamatay. Sinira niya yung buhay mo. Kaya gumaganti ka. Kaya mo...
Can you blame me? Can you blame me? Inspector, sinira niya yung buhay ko. He released videos of me, of us, na intimate kami. He violated me as a woman. I was never the same after that. He betrayed me. He abused my trust.
Una na kami. Bye-bye!
Kaya dapat lang na...
Di ka ba nagigilty na papa mo lang nakakulong?